Hi, and welcome back to Scooter Adventures.
What?
I am. Wait.
Nah, I don't think so.
What happened here, guys? Welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. They've ambushed.
Is he trying to take
channel?
our what? Scooter, this is our channel.
I'm going to Magic Kingdom.
No.
What?
Guys, welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. I know we're filming on a phone, but you know what? We keep going no matter what. We kind of had a blurb with the camera, and it's not here with us, but it will be for the next trip. But anyway, I wanted to start off at the Magic Kingdom at my favorite place, Main Street. You thought I was gonna say Starbucks, right? It is one of my favorite places, but Main Street is like my happy place. So Benny and I are here. Say hi, baby.
Hello.
Yeah, and we're gonna have coffee, and you will be with us here at the Magic Kingdom. Then we're hopping to EPCOT to meet with friends. So you're gonna see all of that here and there. You know how I make my videos, a little piece of this, a little piece of that. This is one big cinnamon roll. Yeah! Ears first. Guys, the ear's missing. I don't know
Hey,
what happened. Huh?
it's supposed to make it to the table. I know it's tempting, but come on.
Delicious. Our coffee, our cinnamon roll. Benny's got his coffee. Show them your coffee. Yeah. Guys, and look at where we are. Main Street is my happy place. Main Street brings me this like nostalgic, happy vibe, thinking of my parents, my memories, and I love it here. So we decided to come here, have our breakfast, and let me show you around.
Hey. I think it's gonna rain today. Well, from 2 to 8 p.m. So you gotta be prepared. Great place to have coffee.
What happened to that other ear?
It wasn't me.
Where are we?
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Are you excited?
Yes.
I've never ridden it before. I know it's surprising.
Yeah, that's you were what was it Thad calls you?
I was a scaredy cat of fun.
Scaredy cat of fun.
A giant scaredy cat.
Giant scaredy cat of fun.
But I've come out of that box.
Yeah, and now Thunder Mountain's open again, so
They
we get-
redid the track. It was down for 16 months.
Yeah, it's all brand new.
You love it? You've been on it a lot.
I used to, yeah, I used to ride it a lot. Now let's see how the new version is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you haven't done it yet today.
Yeah. I did with the cinnamon roll. Yeah. That was so good. I ate both ears.
You're gonna be like Groot, like I am Groot. Your yeahs are gonna be.
My
They're gonna translate it to different sayings.
Yeah. No, yeah is yeah. It means like yeah. It's fun. It's happy. It's a happy like yeah.
Oh, babe, we have a problem.
Why?
No drinking, fighting, or whistling. No kidding.
Okay, we gotta go. I was already.
You were gonna whistle or fight with somebody?
Maybe both. I don't know. Hey guys, we're riding the Haunted Mansion. Ooh, did you know if you touch this wall, it plays music? It's very spooky and dark in there, so I don't know. We can't record inside. I don't think the picture will be very good. But we love the Haunted Mansion. It's not so scary. And you're watching Not So Scary Mary TV. Make sure to like and subscribe.
That's a speaker, babe, or microphone.
Muses, you are just not trying. Help me with this poem.
I'm here. What is it? What's a poem?
I heard something. Maybe if my muses can speak up.
What's the poem?
Don't yell at the dead, babe.
Okay.
Oh, decompose! Oh, Prudence, you are so gifted and ghastly. Let's do another one.
There's nobody in there.
In honor of poor Charles, we're having a wake. He died from eating too much birthday.
Cake? No, I don't like her, babe. You can't eat too much cake. We love cake.
We know cakes.
Oh, cakes. By the way, subscribe to the 927
This
with
one
Cakes and
eat
Kenny
at a
G.
birthday party.
We're gonna install it right here. Great channel.
Ice
Was that
cream.
a sponsored promotion?
It wasn't sponsored.
I wish I had.
Maybe they'll
time for
buy
this
me a
work.
coffee or something if I'm gonna announce our channel.
Please.
All right, Cakes and Kenny, if you're watching. Every Thursday, best show. We laugh. Benny and I look forward to every Thursday just to watch the show. Why am I doing a commercial for Cakes and Kenny here in front of like a ghost?
I don't know.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that's why.
Help
Hello.
to finish this poem.
She can't finish her poem. I don't know what's going on. I don't know.
I don't know, but she's been here for years and she still hasn't figured it out.
I've got it.
got it.
Of course. Oh, I hope you made a good wish. Let's try another one.
You can make wishes? Make a wish.
No, not here, babe.
No?
You make a wish on a small world. Oh, speaking of small world, look up Cakes and Kenny J on the 927 every Thursday. You will love that show. It's on YouTube on Thursday evenings.
And Cakes loves?
Small world. What location is this, babe?
I forgot the name, but they already have permits to tear it down, so
Oh, there you go.
they do. They'll move that somewhere else.
Guys, we're leaving the Magic Kingdom, but we're going to EPCOT. We're wearing our Figgy shirts. We've got to go see Figment. Park Hop video. I hope you like it. We're going to meet with a bunch of friends now, so let's go with us. Here. Come back in, come back in. Tell them about your channel and how many people he helps and talks about. The best in all Walt Disney World. You get any information, scooters, anything for ADA, mobility issues.
We've been doing this 3 years. We help one person. One.
No, not one.
No.
You're not helping me here. No, he helps a lot. He gets
Come on.
emails. You can email him. Look at their videos. Him and Michelle and so many people really are now doing more and getting on scooters and living life because of Scooter Adventures. So I'm very grateful for that.
Yeah, we help one person. A lady named Mildred in Des Moines, Iowa.
Okay.
So,
All
thank you.
right. Cut. Guys, we're in the Land Pavilion and we're gonna ride Soarin Across America, and it's a celebration of 250 years. Happy birthday, USA! But we have friends we've seen here at the park. Come on, babe. I'm sorry, I was eating a cooked gift. I don't have anything with you. Come on.
Yeah, I have some on my teeth now, but I'm not going to show it.
Mr. Pete McDevitt
Hello, everybody.
and his beautiful son. Preston. We're hanging out here. And we are celebrating Molly's birthday. It's Monorail Molly, but her name is Jen, guys. I don't want to give away her name. Jen's birthday! Yeah! And these people, I don't know them. You guys are nice.
you introduce
work,
yourselves?
pal. Introduce yourself.
I'm Jim from Nice Work, pal. I'll be celebrating my 29th very soon.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna go ride Soarin. We're having so much fun with our friends. Bye, guys. guys know I love Goofy and Max, so I had to get the Goofy sipper. Come on, guys. It's a little fish bowl, and you got Max and Goofy.
Beautiful.
I love when I get a...
Hey, Cakes, you got a ride?
I got a ride.
Nice.
It's like a overgrown stomper.
Guys, what an amazing video. So much fun and laughter with friends. Man, I hope you enjoyed it because I loved every minute of it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the friends that we have listed here. These are real friends of ours. They're not just listed because we list them. It's because we know them and they create great content. So check them out. And if you're not a member of Not So Scary Mary TV, what are you waiting for? And if you don't want to become a member, you know what? You can buy us a coffee. You can. I have a link. I got to find it. I've had that for a couple of years now, but I think I got one coffee. Anyway, I'll drink a coffee on one of my vlogs and say, hey, thanks. Anyway, thanks again for watching, you guys. I hope you have fun watching everything we share with you because we do it with all our love. Until the next time we see each other. Bye, everybody.